how are you? We are going to learn What's Up by 4 Non-Blondes today. We're going to do it in a few levels. We're going to start at the beginning, talk about the strumming, and then we'll add those extra bar chords, or sort of almost bar chords, as we go. If you can't do bar chords, don't worry. We're going to handle that straight away. All right, so the chords in the song are basically A, B minor, D, and A. All right, so you're going to get A, then B minor, then D, then A. Now, if you really didn't like that and you want to avoid that B minor, you can just put a capo here at the 2nd fret, like this, and instead of playing an A, play a G. A minor, C, G major. Okay, all right, if you really didn't like that. Now let's talk about that strumming. So we basically play down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we are playing semiquaver. The smallest note is a semiquaver, or a quarter of a beat, or a 16th, right? So we are always going to go down on the beat. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. On that 1, 2, 3, 4, we're always going to go down, all right? And then obviously what goes down must come up, all right? So that is 1 E. And then we're going to go down on the and then we're going to come up on the all right? So you get 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Make sense? Now, what she's doing, what you hear on the record itself, is that at the end of each bar, she's moving chords, right? So you get a bit of that in the middle. So you get this sort of sound where you get B minor. Right, we're back into A. All right. The other slight change that she makes in that first bar, she plays down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then every other time she plays, in the rest of the song actually, 1 and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All right, so there's like 1 extra strum in there. You're going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're always going to go down on the ones, on the beat, and the ands, and the e's and the uhs, the other 16ths in there, or semiquavers, you're going to come up, and that's how it's going to work in the whole tune. So that is the strumming pattern. Now let's talk about extra advanced guitarists who can play this chord, right? So we've got 0, 7, 6, 5, 5. Let's just talk about what we're going to do. We're going to play down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, move to B minor, D, D sus2, A sus2, if you wanted to. Now, it does that A chord, as far as I can hear, only 1 time at the very beginning of the song, and then it plays at a regular A every other single time. But that's pretty cool. All right, so that is the verse and chorus chords for pretty much the whole song, except when it gets to the outro. At the very end of the song, something cool happens. They go from a straight to a shuffle feel, all right, after that lead guitar part, which if you want, I'm going to do a video over on Patreon for that. So it's doing that straight feel, right? just for the last sort of 5 bars of the end of the song. So you get that like ja, ja, ga, ja, ja, ga, ja, ga, da, ja, 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 right? Same strumming, but the feel just shifts. So like the E's and the ands are closer to the next beat. So instead of like 1 E and a 2 E and a, it's like 1 E and a 2 E and a, if you know what I mean. So that is what a shuffle feel is, right? And that is how you play this song, Four Non-Blondes, What's Up? I'll see you next time for another lesson. I hope this one was enjoyable. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. If you want the tab or the chart, you can get that at Patreon. Bye for now.